Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a YouTube video and I'm going to be chasing my new roosters with this.
They're white, just letting you know.
They're the white ones, yeah. Did you get that?
Yeah. This is so scary.
I don't want to get attacked.
It's like right on the corner.
It's on the edge of attacking us. I don't want to do this anymore because if we do it a lot,
They'll start chasing us around.
yeah, like we'll just be walking by and they'll go.
I know, right? That's what I did once. That's what it did.
I knew they were scary when I first saw them. See our
Come
other,
over here.
where's our other rooster?
Oh, I'm pretty sure he's over there.
Yeah, you see,
there he is.
you guys see the other one?
Now I'll run up to it.
See that guy right there, the other one?
Yeah, this is our other rooster. This
See,
is,
we can get up
yeah.
close to him, but he just doesn't like to be touched. But he won't attack you.
Just
Whenever we first got them, they started attacking the other rooster, gaining up on him. So I had to split it up with a claw thing. It was scary. It was nothing as bad as this. This is really scary.
I know, right?
These new roosters, they're brutal. Make sure you're getting me, not the ground. Ready to run. I challenge you to a fight. Boy, give me a taser and I'll win. Here's the mean one. You. You're the mean one. Oh, the other one's in on it now.
What one?
The other one.
I know, that's the one that's been doing it.
The one with the weird eyes. The one
Yeah.
who's really doing it.
Ah!
That time it wasn't as bad. See, he runs up.
Ah! Oh! That scared me.
Will you turn your back? Okay. Now, come here.
You are mean.
Gimme. Not him. Don't worry about them. Okay, that's the end of this video for today. If you want to see us do more of this, let us know in the comment section. Good.